In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your MSI MPG X570 Gaming Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular X570 model of motherboard from MSI, you will be able to follow these steps to update the BIOS. In order to do this, you need a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage space, however, it is recommended that it is formatted because you will be loading the BIOS files into that USB drive. So if possible, format your USB drive before starting. Now, to download these BIOS files, go to the official MSI website. In here, look for the product page for the MPG X570. If you have a different model, then look for that one instead. When you reach the product page, go to Support. Under Drivers and Downloads, you will find BIOS available here, and you have to download the latest version. If you notice that it has a beta version, you can download a stable one instead. Now, once you have these BIOS files downloaded, you will need to extract them into the USB drive. So grab the file and extract it into the USB drive. Like I said, ideally it is going to be formatted, so it is only going to have the BIOS file itself. If it is in a zip format, extract it before moving. Once you have the BIOS files loaded into the USB drive, insert it into any of the USB ports available on the back of your motherboard. Now, you can use this physical button to perform the BIOS update if you wish. So with this button, all that you have to do is insert it here in one of the available USB ports, and then press and hold this button for 3 seconds. Your motherboard needs to be connected to the power supply, receiving power, and you can let this process finish. Alternatively, if you want to go into the BIOS itself, press delete while booting your PC, and then switch to the advanced mode. So if you are on easy mode, you can switch to advanced, but basically you have to go over to M Flash. So look at the bottom left corner of the screen and go to M Flash. In here, you will see the USB drive that is currently connected to one of the available USB ports on your PC, and the BIOS file will be available here after you choose to see the storage of the USB. So click on USB, the BIOS file will appear here, and you simply have to select it. Once you choose that BIOS file from the list, the BIOS update will begin, and you just have to let this process finish. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS MSI MPG X570 Gaming Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.